Hello and welcome to CatapultCMS. In today's training video, we'll be going over our announcement program, specifically how to create an announcement, edit existing posts, and delete or archive old ones. Let's start by creating a new announcement. To begin, navigate to the green Add New button at the top of your screen. Once that screen opens, you'll see a title field at the top. This is where you'll enter in the title of your announcement. Be sure to make it clear and informative so your audience knows what to expect. Just below that is our post status section. Here you can publish the post immediately, save it as a draft, or you can schedule it for a specific date and time. The scheduling feature allows you to publish announcements in the future or even backdate them if needed. Once an announcement passes its scheduled date, it'll automatically move to archived. Announcements are displayed in chronological order. If you'd like to post at the top, if you would like your post to stay at the top, you can use the priority toggle here. This allows you to feature an announcement for a set period of time. An end date is required, but it can be adjusted at any time. Next, you'll see the Post to School Sites option. If your district has multiple school sites, this allows you to push announcements from the district site to individual school sites. The Feeds field allows you to organize your announcements into specific groups, such as athletics or academics. Below that is the Category section. Adding categories helps users sort and search announcements more easily, so it's a good idea to include them when possible. You'll also have the option to attach documents to your post. Further down is where you'll enter in the main content of your announcement. You'll see a variety of formatting tools available to help you structure your content. Some templates include a homepage blurb tab. This allows you to control the preview text users see on the announcement before opening the full announcement on the homepage specifically. In the redirect link tab, you can link your announcement to another page. This is useful if you want to direct users to additional information. We do have a knowledge base article here if you want more information about it. Finally, on the right-hand side, you can add an image or a YouTube video. If no image is added, a default image will be used. Don't you worry, we set you up with our default announcement so that you can keep your momentum as you are going through your posts. Okay. Once you've finished, you'll hit the Save Post to publish or save your changes. Since I didn't enter anything, I'm just going to go ahead and go back for now. To edit an existing announcement, you simply locate the post and hit Edit. To delete a post, you hit the Delete option here, or you also have the option to share with Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you learned a lot about our announcement program. Have a wonderful day.